Bro, you're all wet. What'd you do? What? What's up? You need to dry you off? What do you want? You need sweetness? No? Oh. I don't know, bro. What do you want? You like this? No, I'm not sure if you're liking this. You want me to continue? You look angry. Still not sure if you're liking this. Eh? Hey, what are you doing? Ah, no, you're not liking this. But why are you? Maybe you should go dry yourself off. Not here. Go. Go move. Come on. Come on. Oh, here. There you go. Okay, dry yourself off. Wash yourself. No, not on my shoulder. Oh, there you go. On the drying rack.